Yan ba yun o yun?
Kaya po. Patay, ayun na. Ayun! And we are live! Ano?
Ayan na naman. Double check lang. Yun. It's okay na.
May parang nakalimutan kang line mo.
We are live. Buhay! There you go again. Another day again of our live. And hope everyone there tuning in, listening on the replays, whatever you guys going through right now. Hope and pray that it will serve as an inspiration and encouragement to you guys sa pagla-live namin, especially with our business partners, future business partners, or yung nagnanais pa lang na makapasok sa isang business. And always remember God, guys, that God is good
all the time.
and all the time.
God is good.
Good.
Alright, mahangin.
Talaga. And
hindi nag-rehearse, wala tayong rehearse.
I know. Pag nabigat, malam, kan rabi yung man apo dita. Ay nyaman na yan yung lugar apo.
Yes, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you may be. Time check right now, it is 3:41 in the afternoon here in Northern California, September 9, Monday. So,
and our day 13th.
Day 13th of our 90-day success challenge. So for those who've been following us, tuning in for the several days, thank you for your support.
Yeah.
Again, new day, new topic again for today. So, what's our topic for today? Ano yung nagpa-flash dyan? It says there, feature a successful business story.
Business story. So that's we're having a guest. We know. Yeah, we're having a guest. We know that you know this person already. It's been popping up to your live stream and everything. I know you kilala nyo na to for sure. And nung nag-start din siya with this 90-day challenge, kami yung na-featured niya. Now, we're gonna feature her too. O, tignan mo. Tulungan talaga. O, tignan mo dito with our business, tulungan talaga, right? And, ano ba?
Ako, so yeah, actually she is my co-worker, my friend. She's one of our dearest friend, and our mentor in this digital business.
And our family also.
Yes.
Our sister.
A sister and another mother.
Yes.
Yes.
Ate ng mga anak namin.
Right. So we are blessed to have her today. It was a short notice for her. And she said yes right away. Tingnan mo pa naman yung ganyan, di ba? Very supportive talaga. So without further ado, we're gonna bring her up. And Sis Jam!
Grabe naman.
Yeah.
Uy,
Nako.
it's my pleasure. At saka talaga naman ako pa talaga ang feature ninyo.
Yung vacation niya from Hawaii. So ngayon, patrabahuin natin siya ngayon.
Yeah, this fresh yung mind niya. From Hawaii. Nakasinghot pa ng mga sariwang hangin doon. Di ba? And yung breeze ng ocean. And we would like to acknowledge, si Mentor Coach Jeans.
Ayun.
And si Shay, hi. And Noveline, hi.
Hi.
Thank you for watching.
Hello to our 4 million viewers already. Thank you.
Thank you. So,
basahin natin saglit. Ano ba? Bakit di nakikita? Ito, sabi niya, hi amazing couple. Catch up sa logo live nyo. Okay. So, sige lang sis. Yes. Thank you for at least, stopping by for quick.
Yeah, thank you. Even if nasa work ka,
tingnan mo, very supportive ang mga business partners natin.
See, with this digital business, you could squish in yung business na to. Nasa work daw siya. May singit mo dito, di ba? Very flexible.
Ayan, so at least, 'di ba? So ngayon parang sabi namin papahinga kami this time today. We will have our guest speaker to do our live for
Yes.
today. Sana kung pwede lang count today mo rin to, no? I don't
Ay,
know.
grabe.
Iba kasi yung iba yung
Yeah.
topic mo eh.
So ito mentor coach din namin si Julian Abad. She's a professional nurse. Tubong Mountain Province. Mga taga Mountain Province yan. Kaway. Hello.
Mhm.
She's a FBI. Full-blooded Igorot.
Yep.
And ganun din kami. And
FBI din.
yeah.
Na ako,
Full-blooded Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Di ba?
Oh yeah. So without further ado, give it to Ate Jao.
Yeah. Actually, Ate Jao, just short intro, you know, just introduce yourself to our mga viewers na,
Yes.
especially may mga friends kami dyan, may followers kami na maybe not does not know.
Familiar to you yet,
Yes,
but I'm
so-
sure dumaan na sa feed na yung mga yan.
Yeah. We'll give the floor to you.
Now the seat is yours. Hot seat na sa'yo.
Ako naman ang hot seat ngayon. Ganon. Yes, hello everyone. And yes, just to introduce myself, my name is Julianne. And tulad ng sabi ni na Ken and Zap, I'm originally from Philippines Mountain Province ako. So yes, FBI, full-blooded Igorot. At sila naman is FBI din eh, full-blooded Ilocano. So sabi nila it's my turn daw, ako daw. So nabigla ako, bakit success stories? Wala pa naman akong sharing success.
Mhm.
But but anyway, yes, I'm a proud digital business owner and a mentor too, where we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And actually, just to have a short story how I encountered this business, back September 2023, when a friend of mine introduced this business, yung kaibigan, we have a same circle ni na Zap at ako, and she's the one who tried the business first, which is, you've heard this all the time, it's because of Gina, siya ang salarin. Because we are all looking for a business, and she's the one who found it first through an ads, and she said that she'll gonna try it first. So she tested the water, and it's legit, at saka hindi nga naman scam, at saka nakita namin kung paano siya umangat. Because me and Zap, it took us how many months, 'di ba, before we
Yeah.
joined the business.
Right.
It took me 7 months. I think also
7
with the Zap, it's the same.
Nauna ko na lang ko, no?
'Di ba?
Yeah.
So yeah, and we are, me, Gina, and Zap. We are working together on the same hospital, and Gina was my friend since no Florida pa, since I arrived here in the US. And Zap, I've known Zap through Gina
Mhm.
because before they're working both in the same hospital, and then I joined them after a year with
Right.
Gina.
Right.
Yes, and then that's where I met Zap. So si Gina talaga yung kakwentuhan ko, kaya ko nalaman 'tong business. And then si Zap naman, it's because of Gina, kasi nagkukuwentuhan na rin kami. Pati sa after work nagkukuwentuhan na rin kami. Kaya kami nag-join ng business, because we saw, or we witnessed how Gina progressed on the business. 7 months pa lang yun, 'di ba? Ay,
Right.
7 months. Yeah, 7 months, ang dami na niya na pinapanood namin siya, ang dami na niyang success na masasabi, mga wins, mga achievements. So, we joined the business also. So, at first, skeptical kasi hindi, parang too good to be true. Pero dahil sa trust din na nakita namin, na siyempre kaibigan namin, alangan na, at saka nakakita namin kung papaano siya umangat. So sabi namin, parang totoo nga. So why not to check, 'di ba? So kaya chineck namin, at saka ayun, nakita namin yung kagandahan, kaya nag-join kami. And today
Actually, pero yun nga,
magwa 1 year na ako September 25 will be my first year in the business. And I can say that there's a lot of happenings, a lot of achievements, and it's because I gave thanks, and I'm giving everything my dahil sa ano na 'to, dahil sa aking success at saka achievements na receive, was it it's because of actually she's one of them, Ken and Zap, 'di ba? Sila ang dahilan talaga kung bakit ako nandito. So so I will never, kasi ito yung
God's
kagandahan
help.
ng business na ito,
Kay
'di
God's help
ba?
lang yan. Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, sila ang aking mga eagles actually.
Actually, gusto ko,
Ken and Zap.
may isisingit lang ako, may side comment lang ako nung ano. Actually, di ba nung nag-join ka, I don't even know that you already joined. Di ba September,
Ah,
join ako noong October, nag-join kami ng October. Nagulat na lang kami, Hana, nag-join na pala si Ate Jao. Parang nauna na, hindi tayo,
So, naunahan tayo natin, Joe?
Oo, naunahan na tayo. Doon nag-uusap kami na, pasukin na natin. Ganun kaming dalawa.
oo.
Pero hindi ko alam kung kailan siya nag-start.
Yes.
Yeah. And then nung kasi syempre, well, she has a different schedule din kasi, even though nag-overlap ang namin, ang schedule namin, we see each other at some point. Sa sobrang busy na ER, of course, working in the ER, sometimes we don't get to talk to each other. So, hindi ko alam na nakapag-join na pala siya. Hindi ko siya nakakikita or nabibusy. So, nung time na sabi ko, no, I'll talk to Ate Jao and tell her na, ready na kami mag-jump in. Yung pala, nag-join na siya, nauna na. Kaya,
Tingnan mo, no? She
Yeah.
give us the silent treatment. Tumahimik siya.
sino?
Hindi kasi yung time na yun talagang nag-iisip ako na will I jump in, will I jump in or mag-ano lang ako or manonood, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Parang yun yung naglalaro sa time na yun, sa isip ko nung time na yun. Kaya parang tahimik ako. Hindi ako nagsasalita kasi I was thinking at that time, what will I do next? And then here is my husband na parang skeptical din. Na
Yeah.
sabi niya na pare-parehas lang 'yan, ano ba naman 'yan, ganyan. Yung pare-parehas na networking or MLM. And then, kaya sabi kong kaya nung night na hindi talaga ako makatulog once, you know what, ito yung nakakatawa, once na napanood mo kasi yung trailer nga, yung, webinar, the free info session niya,
Mhm.
sinong hindi makakatulog 'no? At saka sinong hindi maki-curious talaga na, ano ba naman ito? So I jumped in, and then, I was able to, take the step 2, and, that's the time that I saw the beauty of the business.
Actually, I think I remember nung day ata na I said, kasi naalala ko dito pa kami sa labas nung nagluluto yung mister ko dito sa labas. Sabi ko, Daddy,
Hmm.
halika na, panoorin na natin. I think that was the same day na nalaman ko nga na nag-join ka na. Na parang, sabi ko, and I think I'm off that day. So sabi ko, naku, nag-join na si Ate Jao. Tayo na rin. Susunod na tayo. Kailangan na. Parang gano'n. And then, like you said nga, when you watch the free webinar, ay naku, gusto ko na malaman yung next one, right?
'Di ba?
Next,
Yeah.
why would ba't pa ako paghihintay ng
Yeah, it's just like yung next series ng episodes, right? Yung mga Korean series
Mhm.
and yun, right? Na mabibitin kayo with one episode. You are guys eager to jump into the next episode kasi nga
Yes.
what's gonna be, ano yung mangyayari, what's next. So yun.
Kasi actually, effective, galing ni Ate Gina din na talagang pinaano niya kami. Parang, kayo na, tignan nyo na lang, gano'n. Hindi na rin she won't tell us a
Yes.
lot of information
Yes.
about it.
Mhm.
Kasi well, the good thing kasi, we already have a
System
system
already.
that will
System
do
already.
the explanation.
Mhm.
Mhm.
You
Yeah.
will,
Talagang tumaan din kami. Isipin niyo, we're close friends with with our mentor Gina.
coach.
But yet she's still pinadaan pa rin tayo sa
Yes.
sa kung paano yung proseso ng system
Right.
natin.
Right,
And
Because sabi nga niya, for us to appreciate
Yeah.
it
yes
and
Mhm.
know yung process talaga.
the beauty of
At
this
least we
business.
didn't jump to one place to hindi tayo nag-jump ng mga levels kasi nga once we do those one, yung pag shortcut natin jeans, siya rin lang mahihirapan kasi if she shortcut it, and then marami tayong questions, marami
Yeah.
tayong tanong, mas marami siyang sasagutin.
Maganda
So,
na
Yeah.
lang.
go through the process kung paano yung ginawa niya. Sabi nga ng natin sa team natin just do yung process of duplication
Mhm.
diba?
Yeah, dinuplicate niya lang
Dinuplicate
din.
niya lang din.
Mhm.
Kasi yun naman talaga yung nag-work Sabi nga nila, if it's working, why change it? Alright?
Mhm.
Kaya,
Tas kaya nga, 'di ba, digital business nga di let the yun nga may automation system na nandun na dinevelop as part of this business. Then just let you make use of that. Bakit ka pa
Mhm. Yeah.
'di ba?
Mhm.
Ayun. So,
And then
yun,
moving forward, nung
yes.
nakita ko na yung blueprint at saka yung black and white ng business, sabi ko,
Mhm.
parang too good to be true, sabi ko. Pero
Mm.
jeans, parang hindi ko kaya 'to, sabi ko. Sabi ko nung tapos sabi niya gano'n, "Hindi, kaya mo 'to, tingnan mo, madali lang 'to, basta you are coachable, basta ano." Coachable naman ako basta there are, people who gonna teach me, sabi kong gano'n. And, matututunan mo naman 'yan, eh, sabi niya gano'n. So, 'yun yung kagandahan, kaya sabi ko, "Oh, okay." So, sige basta I trust you and then, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari, kung hindi ko alam, andiyan ka naman as a
Right.
mentor. Kaya
Yun
sabi kong gano'n sa kanya,
yeah.
'di ba? And, yeah, knowing that it's my first time to join the business, first time talaga na, experience at saka bagong ano talaga, bagong, ano 'to, parang bagong adventure para sa akin.
Right.
And nakakagulat lang talaga na, yeah, talagang, it's true that the training site is, really a phenomenal one because talagang, nandun na lahat, which is hindi ka mahihirapan talaga. It's only up to you to, to take it one by one step at a time. Kaya sabi ko, "Oh, okay." Doon nawala ang aking nerbiyos nung nakita ko yung training site na as in andun na lahat. And, yes, and you joined, which is, talagang, yun din yung isang nagustuhan ko kasi you will not be working alone. You have, people around you who gonna, work with you and go with you along the way. So dun ako mas natuwa nung nag-join ka pa. Parang, wow, ito yung maganda kasi at least may mga makakasama na ako at saka may mga, katuwang ka sa journey, 'di ba? Yun yung nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Ka-cut off kita ng konti diyan kasi basahin natin saglit yung mga messages ng mga viewers
Mhm.
natin. Eh, si Sister Shay she's here. Yan, sabi niya mga idol, hello. Tapos Ate Gina sabi niya mga eagles daw niya. Mrs.
Mhm.
Marcel is here. Hi, aloha, sabi niya. And
It's your
then
turn. Yan na.
si Ate Gina, your turn na daw. Tapos sabi niya, thank you daw sa trust, mga kapatid.
Mhm.
And then ito yung sa ano pa sabi natin Gina, ito ang business natin parang telenovela, may iyakan, ups and downs, pero happy ending. You're all product of attraction marketing. Yes. Ate
Tama,
Gina.
We did get a
tama.
Yes, even though I mean you kind of mentioned it to us already, pero kung
Mhm.
hindi ka nagpo-post dun diyan sa Facebook, yung mga pino-post mo, how would 'di ba? Parang yun talaga yung parang nakahatak, malaking hatak sa amin yung mga
Mhm.
postings mo.
Sabi niya, kasi less
Stress,
stress,
more
joy.
joy.
And then,
Sabi ni Shay, kaya join na.
Kaya join na.
and I would like to acknowledge, Casey Abad, thank you
Si
for watching.
Coach Lynn
And Coach Lynn is
is
watching
watching.
us.
Hi,
And
coach.
from Coach Lynn to Kuya Kuch.
Kaya
Kuya
ala,
Kuch is tuned in sa atin.
ang daming mong squad, Ate
Si
Jao. Ang daming
Opo,
dami mong
talaga
support.
naman itong dalawang 'to,
Mga
talagang power couple, eh.
and Shirley.
si Lay, si
Shirley
Lay yan.
and
Yeah.
Ano
hello
pag sabi?
at nakahabol, sabi niya. ganon, and
Ate Gina,
jeans, God will give you
you
the
the right
people.
people.
Yes, that's true.
That's true. Na
Na
curious kayo
curious
sa
kayo sa
mga
mga
posting
posting
ko.
ko.
Tama.
Yes, we did get curious about the
Sister
posting
Man.
niya.
Ayan, si Kuya
Hello,
Coach
hello.
may message. Hello mga great and beautiful people. Ay, thank you po. Demure.
So yun nga, from too good to be true, now that you are in the this business, it is true. Hindi po. It is too good already, and it is true. It is
Mhm.
real, right?
Yeah, we are real people
So,
who experience real results.
mhm.
And
Skeptic.
yan ang isi-share ni Ate Jao na
Yan
next is
yeah.
yung success niya. Success niya
or what?
sa
Success journey niya,
yung journey niya or how
or your
yung mga
testimony in this business.
more on that.
Yeah.
Yung journey ko, aba, talaga naman.
Yeah,
Since
Magano ka na, ilang months ka na Uy,
magwa 1 year na ako sa 25. Yeah. So,
kilalanin natin yan, magla-live ka about it. 1 year.
for sure. So when I joined the business, ano ba, when I joined the business, it's not kasi nga naman we're not really expecting ito yung nakakaano parang nakaka-amaze kasi parang God really works in mysterious ways. Talagang
true. Yes.
talagang walang dahilan na na kung saan ka niya ilalagay talaga sa posisyon mo.
Hmm.
May dahilan siya kung bakit. Yung
Yeah.
ako parang nagpadala lang ako sa aking ano, instinct at tsaka yung parang, kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko na parang mas malakas na mag-join ka. May bumubulong talaga na mag-join ka, mag-join ka. Parang mas malakas yun at saka mas mabigat. Tapos sabi kong gano'n, "Lord, magjo-join kaya ako nito." Nung gabi na nagbayad ako kasi gabi nung nagbayad ako at saka pinanood ko kaya paggising ni Gina parang na-surprise siya. Tapos
Di
tapos
na
nung gabi na yun, nung gabi na yun, talagang pinapanood ko tapos sabi ko, "Lord, just give me, a sign na na ito na 'to." Sabi ko, wala talaga akong ka-idea-idea kung ano ang, gagawin ko dito, but just give me a sign na ito ba 'to, sabi ko. Pero yun nga, laging parang may bumubulong talaga na mag-join ka. Mas mabigat yung mag-join ka na na ano, na parang pakiramdam ko.
Right.
Kaya yun, biglang dinasal ko bago ako natulog, paggising ko ayan na. Tapos, yun na nag-usap kami ni Gina and then I asked her, talagang sabi ko, sige na nga, I will, take the leap of faith. And then when I just joined, yun na nga, parang sunod-sunod na yung nangyari. But before that, parang yung burden kasi, parang mas bumigat yung sa sitwasyon ko na parang I was not able to cope up, financially at saka emotionally.
Mhm.
Tapos yung kaya nag-join ako na parang yun din yung isang dahilan kasi one of my big why is my family really. And then, nung nag-join ako nun, tamang-tama din na kaya pala nadidinig ko yung bulong na yun kasi just after I joined, yung husband ko naman yung sumunod. Kaya parang sabi ko, really God really works in mysterious ways na talagang dadalhin ka kung saan kung ano dapat ang magsosolusyon sa mga ano mo, sa mga problema mo. Kaya nung time na yun parang sabi ko, "Oh my gosh, kaya ba ito yung dahilan kung bakit mas malakas ang bulong na yun kaysa sa hindi ako magjo-join." Parang mas mabigat na lagi kong nadidinig yun nung gabing yun. Kaya sabi kong ganyan, I'm very, very thankful that I joined the business before anything else happened.
Yep.
And then that's the time that I realized na talaga nga na may dahilan talaga kung bakit yun yung lagi kong nadidinig. Kaya yun. Tapos nung nag-join ako, ganun nga yung nangyari. Tapos buti na lang at nagpapasalamat talaga ako na siguro yun din yung dahilan kung bakit yun nga, nauna ako sa 'di ba, Zap? At sumunod. Kasi
Yes.
I
May
think
plano ang Panginoon.
yes, he really knows that I cannot handle the situation having that at the same time. And then I'm very, very thankful that Zap came in. And then I was parang lalong doon gumaan ang mundo ko nung nandun na yung si Zap na kaibigan pa na who's really helping out. And then that's the time that another business partner, shout out kay Kim.
Right, right.
Yeah, that
Even
she joined also just after Zap, and then that's the time that they were able to, itong business na to talagang sa kanila ko inaangat yung achievement ko kasi talagang sila naman talaga ang binigay sa akin ni Lord na yeah, na nandun para
Gamit lang
yeah.
kaming tool.
yes, ginamit kami. Instrument ng
Instrument ng
Panginoon.
Panginoon to
Yes,
you.
na parang nung time na down ako, they were there for me. And hindi ko talaga na-feel na nag-iisa ako sa business na 'to. Kaya yun yung talagang kagandahan at nakita ko ang beauty ng business na 'to nung ganun nga yung nangyari. And lahat naging smooth, pati yung sa husband ko, I'm very, very thankful na ganun nga ang, in a way na I'm very thankful na gano'n nga yung nangyari, but because I was able also to see the beauty of this business because of that situation. And talagang pinaramdam sa akin ng Lord na yun nga, talagang I'm going on the right path. Kaya talagang thank you talaga sa inyo. Kaya wala talaga akong masabi
During
kundi
that time na
thank
parang
you, thank
plan
you.
B, 'di ba? Parang hindi mo pa naisip noon time na yun na yung business will be your plan B, but then all of a sudden, 'di ba, buti na lang nag-join ka kasi nga yun nga na
Mhm.
talaga
Yeah.
dun siya na naging plan B mo, naging source of like supplemental income during those times.
Yes, and then dun na rin nag-sink in na alam mo yun, life is inevitable na hindi mo talaga alam kung anong mangyayari any minute, 'di ba? Puwedeng ang daming mangyayari isang minuto lang, 'di
Right?
ba? Kaya kaya sabi kong ganyan, that's why we are, doing this live and sharing everyone because, this is really a blessing to us.
Oh,
And, para malaman ng lahat na, hindi naman ito kuwento-kuwento lang, talagang totoong nangyari.
nangyari. Yes.
And, talagang itong business na 'to nagbigay ng pag-asa ba, na kahit na hindi niyo man lang kailangan ngayon, sa ngayong punto na 'to, pero sooner or later you will really, really realize na ito pala yun. Ito pala yung, dahilan kung bakit
Hmm?
nagpapakita ito sa feed ninyo or,
Yeah. Yes.
may naglalapit sa inyo or may ano ba 'to, nag-i-introduce sa inyo na yung ganda ng business na 'to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun nga. Yun kasi life, we don't have a control to that. Life happens, yun nga, we don't have a control on things like that na merong basta so for example na lang sa mga kaya nga we keep on inviting you guys, look into our this digital business as and see is if it can be your plan B. Why? Because as a regular employee, hindi mo alam din kung even though we're nurses, and right now nurses can be, you know some people are yung gaya ng sabi ni Ate Gina na she was parang comfortable na siya noon kasi alam niya na parang hindi mawawala ang trabaho niya because as a nurses we are needed, right? Pero life happens nga, there's gonna be something na there could be an emergency na we don't have control of.
Control. Yes.
Pero for those naman na hindi nurses, na yung meron niyang nag-share sa ano natin, sa nakita ko sa social media na yun nga, yung tao is already, he enjoys his job, you know parang it's the dream of it's the dream job niya na, 'di ba? Everything
Mhm.
well, tapos eventually they have to fire him kasi wala na, magko-close ang company or what, 'di ba? So yung mga ganun na mga bagay na hindi mo alam, hindi mo in-expect na pwede palang mangyari.
Mhm.
So being prepared,
Yeah.
having a plan B would be a wiser option.
Mhm.
Kasi nga, pag nawala yung work mo, paano, especially if you have a family,
Mhm.
No,
paano mo
especially
sila
if you're a breadwinner also.
breadwinner? Or yun nga, bakit ang bills natin dito sa US?
It won't stop.
Yeah. And with inflation,
Non-stop.
lahat tumataas.
Yes,
Lahat
it won't
tumataas.
stop. That's
Lahat
true.
tumataas.
It won't
So,
stop.
pag biglang nawala yung trabaho mo, pwede mo bang sabihin na, ay,
Yeah.
post na sa mga bills? No, you can't.
I
Right?
want to share this
Mhm.
because you know naman what happened to my husband, right? At the age of ito na nga, at the age of 45, he had a triple bypass, and
Mhm.
yes, we have a insurance, life insurance, but you know what? It's still not enough.
Mhm.
May life insurance na yun ha, and then we claimed the life insurance. Hindi pa rin siya enough. Parang konti pa lang. I'm expecting na much bigger.
Right.
Pero pero
Oh,
hindi rin pala kasi it will cover, so how many months siyang hindi nakapag-work? Parang 6 months. And then come to think of it, yung binigay lang ng insurance is konti, and then konti pa lang yun. Hindi pa yun yung ano, kaya nga sabi kong ganyan, ay mas maganda pa rin na may talagang.
hirapan pa siguro sa pag-claim, no?
Yeah. Tapos maano ka pa sa pag-claim kasi hindi pa yan ibibigay lahat, parang ang dami pang investigations na gagawin. So it will take months before they will release the money. And then there's a lot of kaya
Yeah.
kaya ano pa kung ano, kung hindi ka pa sure, may sinulat pa yung doktor na iba dun na ano, ay naku kailangan pa nilang i-verify yan, imbestigahan muna bago nila i-release. So it took us months to get the claim, tapos hindi pa ganun kalaki. Yun yung ano, kaya sabi kong ganyan, it's really good to have a plan B. O tingnan mo, kaya sabi ko ngayon hindi pa rin enough ang life insurance, unless siguro pag pag namatay na siguro yun yung buo mo sigurong makukuha.
Right. Right.
Yeah, that's the bigger amount that you will get, but during those days na it will cover up your, paano 'pag isang taon na hindi ka makapag-work, 'di ba?
Or
Lahat
gaya nga
yun
sabi
ubos
mo,
na rin.
hindi rin ibibigay kaagad sa'yo. So, during those waiting period, bakit
Mhm.
mapupos mo ba yung mga bills mo?
Yeah.
Sabi mo ba sila, teka lang muna, kung iabutin ka ng ilang months na hindi nakakapagbayad, mapupunta pa sa collection mamaya yung ano mo.
Mhm. Yeah, tama.
Issue, malaking problema, so it's better na meron yung plan B, uh,
Mhm.
a business like this that can provide supplemental income for you, while you're at home doing, or
Mhm.
attending on personal things that you have to attend to, So, quickly, ano pa yung sabi ni Kwan? Let's read some messages out here. Hello daw. Ay, na message nabasa na natin to kay Kuya Kuch. Nagulat nga daw talaga si Ate Ate Gina nung tinawagan mo daw siya that morning. Yes. And then, sabi ni Ate Gina, having plan B is crucial, correct? Talaga nga. Siya nga.
Pero ito yung share ko ha, actually, it's my second time to give my email ad to Gina.
Ah,
To enter kasi nung una parang na-curious lang ako pero hindi ko pinanood yung info session. Parang I was very busy at that time. Lagi kong sinasabi na I will check your ano, because I'm really interested. But sabi kong ganyan, parang may mga excuses akong inaano. Tapos meron yung time na sinasabi niya na yun nung nag-uusap kami, kinukumusta ko siya, how is it? Sabi kong ganyan, how are you? Tapos how are you doing with your business? Sabi kong ganyan. Tapos sabi niya maganda daw. Lagi niyang sinasabi, kaya sabi kong ganyan, yeah, there are yung parang yung meron yung iba na yes, hindi pa nila nararamdaman na they really need it, parang gano'n na yung business parang they really don't need it. Parang do'n din yung pumasok sa utak ko na oo nga naman ano, baka sinasabi ko ngayon na hindi ko kailangan, pero in the future pala kailangan ko. So, I think I really have to check on it. Pero yun pa lang, nagtantan ng nagtantan at saka parang na-busy na yata ako nun kaya parang dumating na yung time na talagang may nagbubulong na, "Hey, you have to check it, you have to check it." Parang gano'n. Kaya nung pinanood ko talagang nabitin ako kaya go na sa step 2.
doon ka na nakauwi. Doon ka
Yeah,
na
same day,
nakauwi.
same night. Oo, kasi once na pinanood mo talagang, parang Totoo kaya 'to? I have to check it more.
Right?
Yeah.
Basahin ko lang sabi ni Sister Shay, sabi niya, yes, we are disposable in our present job, so we need to have a backup plan. Tapos yan nga, kaya habang may work pa sa start na ng plan B para kapag dumating ang inevitable circumstances, meron
Yeah.
na asahan. Correct.
Mhm.
Yan. Yes, sabi niya, skeptical ka ba nga daw nung una.
Yeah, skeptical pa nung una. Kasi sabi ko, parang ang MLM or hindi naman natin maaalis talaga yun, eh, parang MLM or networking kasi parang iniisip mo 'no, 'pag titingnan mo. But it's not, it's different.
I think napunta lang sa isip ko na parang sa mga business partners natin dyan na who is thinking na yun nga, may mga yung mga leads nga daw sila, na pero hindi pa, parang hindi nagpo-push through. Parang ganun na rin, parang na situation siguro nung time na yon, parang maybe during that time hindi pa, like you said, hindi mo pa nafe-feel yung need or hindi mo pa
Mhm.
wala pa, parang hindi pa siguro yun yung time ng Panginoon, na ano na mag-push through ka. So ganun din, parang sabihin din na, parang gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga business partners natin, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa because it's just a matter of when na darating yung na sila magjo-join. Just keep attracting. Look what sa ate Gina said, na nadala rin lang kami sa attraction marketing niya, no, strategy niya, because even though she's our friend, hindi naman kami nag-join in kaagad, but because nakatulong yung pag-post niya, we were attracted with what she's posting.
Yeah.
Just don't lose hope sa mga mga leads niyo, mga kilala niyo na parang sa umpisa they say no to you, kasi you don't know later on, when the time is right, they will come back. Kasi sabi ni Coach Lynn sa atin, 'di ba? They will come back. Yung mga yan, nanonood lang yung mga yan. Nanonood lang yung mga yan. So, anyway, ano pa? Sabi ni Ate Gina, yes, skeptical pa siya nun. So, tapos na yun. So, saan na tayo? 'Di ba? Nandun. Ano yung
Yeah. So, yes, so moving forward, since hindi ko alam kung ano yung business, I have to go through the training, and their training is phenomenal. And I was thinking at that time, because I'm thinking of a business, mag-e-enroll ng entrepreneur class. And I saved a lot of money because of that training. And then I was amazed on how kung paano siya ka-organize talaga, na step by step na iaano sa'yo. Kaya parang nakaka-amaze lang na, alam mo 'yun, kahit na anong anong pinanggalingan mo or anong profession mo, talagang maiintindihan mo siya. Kahit nga ano, kahit na high school grad lang, puwede niyang anuhin 'yun, sundin-sundin lang niya 'yun, and that's it. Ang business niya talagang magpo-progress as long as sundan lang niya yung training site na 'yun, and dun talaga ako na-amaze, and sabi kong ganyan na lalo na ngayon, it's digital, it's all internet. Parang dun ako mas na-amaze na, wow, this is it, this is really the future na business, kasi lahat nandito na, and it's on the trend na talaga, na talagang digital and internet. Kaya nakaka-amaze lang talaga.
kami na-amaze hindi lang dahil sa training site, na magandang training site natin. Kami na-amaze kasi we have a mentor na pwedeng tawagan lang namin.
Yeah. Yan din, 'di ba?
Tinatamad na mag-check ng training site, tawagan mo na lang sa Ate Jow.
Tsaka si Jean, sabi ko.
No, but because we have a really very supportive mentor kasi naman. Mentors in this business nga na it's not that sometimes kasi, of course, when you're very new in ano idea natin sa yun nga, kahit sabihin mo nang may phone ka lagi, you know how to use your phone, pero may mga terms din na ginagamit na or nasa training site na sometimes parang ano ba yun, so kaya mayroon tayong mga mentors na pagtanungan, 'di ba? Because they already tried it, or parang magbe-brainstorm din if ever, kasi nga something, it's new to us. We're nurses here, but then yung sa paggagawa ng sa being in this digital world, it's very new to us also when we started this. So kaya tulungan, or yun nga sabi ko, parang kung hindi ko magawa or hindi ko naiintindihan yung training site, ang parang ang next option ko na training book ko is si Mentor Jao.
Hindi
Ayan.
ka Tsaka yung kagandahan nito, we work as a team talaga, yung parang 'di ba, 2 heads or 3 heads is better than 1, 'di ba?
Ang tahimik niya.
Binangga
Oo.
mo di
Ang
tuloy-tuloy.
tahimik-niken nga, biglang ang tahimik-niken.
Malay ko pa rito, dapat partner, di dapat tinatanong din sana ako. Di hayaan mo lang siya magsalita, right?
Tahimik na ako.
Eh, hindi naman.
Ano?
Bakit?
Ano pa mo?
No, what I want to say is lang, thank God you listen to that conviction. You thank God na nakinig ka dyan sa bumubulong sa'yo. Kasi nga, like what you said nga, you'll never know when it come, pag dumating yung problem. Just like what happened to your husband nga. Biglang dumating yung triple bypass niyang yun.
Mhm.
And with the digital business, buting na you take that leap of faith. And by those times, 'di ba, nagkukulang ka pa rin ng hours, malay mo kung may bayad
Yeah.
something. And then
Mhm.
with this digital business, it help you to give you a passive income. Kaya nga
Mentally.
maganda yung support system natin dito. And then I envy this my coach mentor Ate Jao, kasi nga even when we were on board, newly on board noon, kami rin, to tell you the truth, we were seldom going to the training site and everything. Yung makikinig na lang sa mastermind, yeah, we were guilty also of that one, na hindi kami, we will makapag or replay man lang manood. But
Mhm.
with Ate Jao nga, she was totally engaged sa business na to,
sa training.
sa training and everything. So very very yun nga, gaya ng misis nga, sabi niya kung may mga tanong pa tayo, let's just contact Ate Jao, sabi niya.
Or Gina.
Yes.
Ganun.
You and Ate Gina motivated us kasi, 'di ba?
Yeah, and then ganun yung cycle namin, right? Ganun yung cycle namin nung journey rin namin na to. Na hindi, tanong na natin doon si Ate Jao, nandiyan naman siya, ganun. Blah 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 and everything. And then here comes our group is getting bigger na, right? And then me and my wife talk about it na, oh mommy, we need to step in na rin. Na we need to be isang role model ba, maging leader na rin, kasi nga hindi na kaya ni Ate Gina and Ate Jao yan, kasi nga
Kasi po,
we have kasi nag-branch out na yung mga group natin. And then mind you, with our digital business, we have a good and support system. Maganda yung support system natin dito, kasi nga, like what I said in the previous live, we're just not only a business partners, but we are a family that we are building it.
yeah.
Pagpahalagaan mo sa ako na to, kasi walang ibang kundi magtutulungan, kayo rin lang.
Mhm.
Right? Walang mapupuntahan if you're lang, kung ikaw yung pilot lang, you need a co-pilot. Right? Na tutulong sa'yo. In everything naman, you need a tool to help you out. Right? Para ma-achieve mo yung goal na gusto mong marating. O yun, tumahimik ka rin naman. Ano yun? Yeah, so yun, continue mo pa, Ate Jao. May kwento pa with your testimony?
Aha.
Story?
Let's just go siguro yung quick milestone mo, yung
Yeah.
success story mo. How did you, kung paano, for how, siguro yun yung parang milestone mo siguro, if you can maybe quickly share us. Yes.
Yung sa milestone naman, yung sa achievement is, yun yung kagandahan ng business na 'to, eh, kasi parang yun yung tinuturo sa atin na we have to help each other. And, this we cannot achieve this milestone if we are not helping our, business partners as well.
Right.
So yun yung, talagang tinuturo sa atin ng business na ito.
Right.
And, that is why, when I have this milestone, parang nakakatuwa lang din na tingnan dahil 'pag nagtutulungan tayo, yung na-achieve ko, na-a-achieve niyo rin. Parang yun yung nakakatuwang nangyayari sa business na ito. So, hindi lang ako ang talagang umaangat. Parang pati yung mga business partners ko umaangat din, basta tulungan, 'di ba? Kaya yun yung parang napakaganda at saka sa milestone naman, 'pag umaangat ka lalong nagkakaroon ka ng linaw at saka lalong nagkakaroon ka ng talagang hope na talagang, mararating mo yung dream mo. Parang you will not step on going you will not stop on keep on going. Talagang tutuloy at itutuloy mo rin kasi nakikita mo na ang ilaw, ang liwanag. At saka yung nakakatuwa, hindi lang ikaw ang nakakita, pati yung mga business partners mo. Kaya
Right, right.
kaya yun yung ano, eh, yun yung parang, parang nagmo-motivate sa akin lagi 'pag tinitingnan ko na pati sila umaangat. Kaya parang gusto mo ring kaya dapat ituloy-tuloy mo na rin kasi nakikita mo rin sila na nararating din nila yung mga nararating mo, yun. Tsaka yun yung gusto kong sabihin talaga.
Right. Ito,
Tsaka
favorite verse ni Ate Jow to eh. And
Yes.
kami rin. So, which we want to share to you guys kasi it's yeah, one of the verse that resonates in our in our journey in this business, in this digital business. It's the Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future.
Mhm.
So, yun, parang isa sa mga naging inspiration sa amin yung verse na yan. And I think actually na-share ni Ate Jao yan eh sa one of her lives na yun yung biglang nakita niya yung verse na yan and it just parang
Biglang nag-sync up lang talaga yung
nag-stick sa
mind niya,
puso niya, sa
puso
mind
niya.
niya.
yeah, a short background kung bakit yan yung naging parang, favorite naming, verse. Kasi, hindi bumisita lang ako kina Zap, eh, hindi ako masyadong tumatambay sa isang bahay, kung hindi ko masyadong close and, Zap hindi ko masyadong close yan noon. Parang mas naging close ko lang just after the business actually,
Yes.
'di ba? Yeah, and then, that's the time that, one time parang nagpatulong ako kay Zap and then I went to their place and then I saw that, verse sa wall ng kitchen nila and then I'm always reading it. Nakaupo lang ako dun, parang may inaantay ata si Zap atang inaantay ko dun, Ken, 'no?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Parang
Yeah, and then that's the time that I'm, sitting in your, sa may dining table and then nakaharap lang ako dun tapos sabi kong ganun parang, "Ang ganda talaga ng verse na 'yan," sabi kong gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, "Yan nga ang gawin kong, reels ngayong araw." So yun nga yung ginawa kong reels but I was so attracted on that verse when I saw that on your wall and then that's the time that I became more closer sa kanilang dalawa. And then yun na, sunod-sunod na lagi na lang akong nakatambay sa bahay nila. Na 'pag minsan nagpapasundo na lang ako kay Kitsune, "Hey, pick me up." But yeah, that verse alone, parang dun ako na ano talaga, na-touch talaga na yan yung nakalagay sa kitchen ninyo. Parang dun ako na-attract talaga na at naging comfortable ng dahil sa verse na yan na nakita ko talaga.
It's a promise of God to us na, what parang sa akin, yung message sa akin ng verse na to, as far as dun sa dito sa business natin, is yung promise niya na he will make us prosper in this business kasi nga, first off, yun nga yung pinag-pray naman na natin. Ayun, sa in your case, tignan mo, parang may conviction ka nung time na yon, jump in,
Mhm,
join. You took the leap of faith. Yun na yung and alam mo, and we know it's very clear talaga na yun yung sagot ng Panginoon sa because tingnan mo nga
yeah.
naman yung pagdaanan mo, right?
Mhm,
So this business is really one of the solution that God had provided for you.
Mhm.
Sa amin, hindi ko rin alam, tignan mo, nabuntis din ako. Ngayon, it became a plan B also for me.
Yeah, 'di ba?
It's providing supplemental income for us right now na I'm on maternity leave. Diba? So, and you just have that confidence na God will take care of us in this business kasi yun nga, with this itong promise niya na to, he will make us successful, he will prosper us in this on whatever we put our mind to, pero at the same time kasi the confidence na because we dedicated this and God has been using us to with this business, we know that it is and always kasi na pinagpipray namin kasi if it's your will, Lord, let it happen, ganito
Thy will be done.
thy will be done, and it's been happening for us. So we really have that confidence, that this is one of the solution also, or one of God's answers for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was a surprise pregnancy also, right? It's unplanned. Yeah. Talagang talagang kaya nga sabi ko talagang hindi nila kaya nga maganda pang mas prepared ka talaga, 'wag mong antayin na you're already down there na ang hirap ng makaahon or makabangon pa. And then you're thinking of something. Kaya while you can,
Sayang, or
yeah.
nagsumula ako yung mga what ifs nila.
Yes, yung mga what ifs na yan. Kaya 'wag lang sana all, dapat
Tara,
sana all.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Ayun, well, thank you.
Thank you so much, Zap and Ken, for having me
Thank
on your
you.
live.
Thank
OMG.
you.
Yeah,
Kahit
thank
last
you.
minute
Yes.
na request,
Yes.
yes agad.
Yeah.
Voluntold. Voluntold. Si Ate
Kaya
Gina.
sabi ko, okay, go. Basta ka na Zap.
Just like to read
Yeah.
this one. Sabi niya, si Ate Jeans ngayon, ang gagaling nyo na kasi inaral nyo talaga ang business. You were coachable.
Lalong-lalo na sina Zap and Ken. Oh my gosh.
Talaga.
Talagang
Yeah.
ngayon ako na yung nagtatanong sa kanila actually.
Kasi you led
You lead by example. That's why. Yes.
Ako na yung nagtatanong sa kanila.
That is why you
are
blessed.
blessed.
Mhm.
Kasi ikaw rin, Coach, mentor, Gina.
Jeans, yeah.
Yes, we became family na. OMG.
That's a good example to us.
Became a
Yes.
family.
Ang totoong success yun yung nakikita ko kayo na umaangat.
Mhm.
And then, ano pa? Ang sabi niya?
Yes, that's our favorite
Bible verse. So, hi, Sis Maraflor.
Hi,
Thank you for watching.
mhm.
Ayun. So, we have what? Ayun. So, hindi na tayo count kasi meron pa kaming segment.
Alright.
Anong oras na mag-prepare pa kami. But anyway,
I need to
thank you,
drop
Sis
off,
Jo,
yeah.
talaga. Thank you for,
Yes.
No, thank you. Oh my gosh.
sa live.
Mhm.
Hopefully we inspired other people out there and even our business partners. May iba-iba tayong journey, may iba-iba tayong story in life.
Yeah.
Just know na pagpray nyo ang business nyo and God will take care of you. God will not leave you alone, and at the same time, be confident na this business, our community is there to help you. Ano pang gusto mong i-add doon?
Yeah, and then plus parang love story lang yung nangyari. Sometimes there's heartaches,
Mhm.
rejections, right? And then maano mo rin lang yan. You will get motivated din lang each other kung mayroon nyo itong mga mentors nyo na you will reach to them na or ayun yun nga, to reach out to them nga. And then plus listen to your conviction like what Ate Jau is. Kung hindi siya nakinig dun sa conviction na yon, malamang I don't know, she's probably stressed right
Sabi ko,
now.
pautang Zap.
Yeah. Parang kun lang yan. If you are in the ocean, lumalangoy ka. If there's a life vest already na tinapon sa'yo, grab that opportunity already para
Mhm.
hindi ka mapagod lumangoy. Even if you are a good swimmer, if that life vest already na binigay na sa'yo para mas smooth yung paglangoy mo, why not grab it, right?
Mhm.
Kaysa naman nag-i-struggle ka dyan. Oh, I'm a good swimmer. Ganun. Hanggang kailan ka lalangoy sa ocean na yan? Hanggang sa mapagod ka and then lulubog ka na lang.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yun lang naman ang example ko. And then plus again, we need to wrap this up. So just go to our website na naka-flash
Yes.
in dyan sa screens nyo, www.genosap.com.
And
Yep.
www.josankit.com.
That's
Yes.
why this is Ken.
I'm Zap.
And I'm Julianne,
We are proud digital business
business
owners.
owners.
So why digital business?
Because it's more fun.
More joy.
Less stress.
So
Yeah.
join us.
Yes. Diba? Next time, practice.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what we want. We want you to join us so that less stress, more fun, more joy. O, di ba?
Right.
Yes. Kaya wag sana all.
Dapat.
All. Ah? Sorry. Ulitin. Wag lang
Wag sana
all.
all.
Dapat.
Tara all.
Last minute daw si Karil. Anyway, you could still watch
Okay
the
lang,
replay.
Karil.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, thank you again for watching
Thank you
us.
for tuning in.
Yes, again
And-
tomorrow. Hopefully you guys will tune in again.
Yes, it's gonna be a fun topic again. And hopefully every day ma-inspired kayo sa amin. It serves an encouragement to you guys
Mhm.
or whatever you guys are going through right now.
Mhm.
We hope and pray for you
Yes.
to be blessed
Yes.
and to be success also in life. Not only in the business but in life too.
Yes. All
Thank
right.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye for
So
now.
bye
God
for
bless.
now. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.